Hi guys, let's see how to add watermark to photos on Samsung Galaxy M35. So for that, first of all open your camera and then tap on this setting icon here. Now scroll down. Now here you will see the watermark option. Simply turn it on and then tap on it. Now you can see by default the watermark is Galaxy M35 is set. So let's say I want to add a custom watermark of my own. So I will simply tap on this edit icon here. Now here you can add your watermark, either your name, brand name, or whatever text you like as your watermark. So I will simply remove it. For the example, I'm going to tap here my YouTube channel name and then tap on save. Now you can see here is my watermark text. If you also want to add the date in your watermark, simply select the date. If you want the time, select the time. If you want any one of these, you can select according to your wish. And in case if you want to change the font of your watermark, simply scroll down and here tap on font. From here you will get these three fonts: default, Roboto and Noto Serif. You can select whatever you want. I want to use the font Roboto, so I will simply tap on it. You can also change the alignment of your watermark. You can keep it in the left, right or center, up or down, wherever you like. Let's say I want to keep my watermark here. So I will simply select the center option and then up. And now you can see my watermark is in the up and center. Once you have properly customized your watermark, let's go back and check if it is working or not. So for that, let's go back, open the camera, and now let's take a picture. So for the example, let's click a picture. Once you click the picture, now let's open it. And you can see watermark has been automatically added to photos. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily add watermark to photos on Samsung Galaxy M35. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.